Hey folks, how are we doing today? I'm pretty excited because we are about to head over to Tour Custom Cycles. My friend Mike helped me out by putting on my brand new spoke wheels onto the Dyna. So I got these nice new chrome spoke wheels and they look so much better than the stock mags that I had on there. Nice polished chrome, they look really nice and shiny. So I actually had Mike help me out by putting them on because we didn't have a jack big enough to get the bike up. So we're gonna head over there and pick up the bike and ask him a little bit about the process. All right, so we just got here to Tour Custom Cycles. Mike did a great job. This bike looks freaking awesome now. Oh my God, look at it. This is the first time I'm seeing it. Dude, these wheels go so much better with the nice chrome lowers on there. Got the chrome spoke. Just makes the bike look so much better. So we did have a little bit of a challenge because the wheels I got, the spoke wheels, I pulled them off of an 11. And my bike is a 2007. So what do we do to work around that, Mike?
So on the 11, the axle size is different from your year, which is a 7.
Yeah.
There's a kit by Vulcan Engineering out there that we were able to change the size of the bearing, the inner part of the bearing, so that you could reuse the stock axles on this bike. They make a conversion kit. So the kit comes with new bearings with the correct size and additional spacers to make up the room in the front here. You'll see there's an additional spacer inside there. Yep. So that's because the hub's a little bit narrower on the 11.
Right.
So they make a kit for the front and the back.
Do you remember how big the axle is on the 7?
It went from I think it's a 1-inch. I think it was, I can't remember if it's 25 or 26 millimeter to the 1-inch conversion, but that's the kit. I don't remember the exact number.
All right. So we also had to do something about the rotor, right? Because we had like the floater rotors on the mag wheels.
Yeah, so the mag wheel has what they call a spoke mounted rotor where the bolt pattern is out, but the new wheels have a hub mounted rotor. So we had to put a hub mounted rotor on there.
Okay. Yeah, she's looking good. So after you got the bearing kit, everything went on all right?
Everything went smooth, tires balanced out, and the bike runs good.
All right, so guys, remember, if you have an 07 yourself, or I'm not sure what the span is of the generation of bikes that had this slightly skinnier axle, but
I think it's 4 through 7.
4 through 7? All right, so make sure, guys, if you are trying to put some new wheels on your 4 through 7 Super Glide or any kind of Dyna, make sure you take a little look at the fitment, because things don't always go on just as easy as you want them to, right?
Yeah.
So Mike, you did a great job. Thank you so much. And I'm super excited to get this thing on the road, man. I think it looks absolutely beautiful. All right, so we're inside of Mike's shop. Got some cool bikes he's working on right now, one of which I definitely want to show you guys. So we got this ST right here. Thing is looking good already, but what's being done to it, Mike?
So the customer brought it in. This is, as you can see, a Fast Johnny Lowrider ST. He's done some nice little upgrades on it. He's done the Kraus setup. He's got a little screen here that does some GPS and some Apple CarPlay.
Oh, cool. Yeah.
But why it's here, little something going on here.
Wow, guys, look at that. This thing is getting a turbo. Now, how friggin' cool is that, man? What is it, like 6 centimeters?
I'm not sure the size. This is made by Trask. It's a Trask Tornado kit.
Yeah.
Which is made for this bike.
Very cool.
This will do, we're gonna probably push 8 pounds of boost with this.
Wow.
We are putting a special cam in this bike for this turbo, which we haven't tried out yet. I'm not gonna speak about that cam yet because it's the first time with this dealer that we're dealing with.
Yeah.
And maybe you come back when we're dynoing the bike and
you can see, for sure.
You can see what it does. But we're shooting for 160 horsepower.
Wow, man, you hear that? 160 horse on this thing.
That's what we're gonna hope for. If we get less, I'll be happy with 150.
Yeah, wow, that's crazy. And how much do these usually weigh, the STs? Do you know?
I think they're in the 600 pound range.
Around 600? Yeah. Wow, man. So this is going to be a freaking beast. Really looking forward to see this thing come together. Holy crap.
Yeah, so we'll be working on this. This bike will probably be on the dyno next week.
Very cool.
So You know, I'm excited for this project. We've done them before. We did one on an El Diablo earlier.
Oh, nice.
But so this will be
Yeah,
a
I love
fast
the
Johnny.
colors on them. Yeah, very cool, very cool. So yeah, so you got the Trask clutch in here too?
Yeah, he's got the power plate in there.
Wow, man.
Yeah, he did
Cool.
that. The customer did all this already.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just gonna take it to the next level.
Sounds good, man. And we've got yet another ST in over here.
This ST, the customer also did a lot of nice upgrades. Check
Yeah.
out those handlebars. Those handlebars, those stainless handlebars are so nice.
Very, very nice. Wow, look at that. That's really cool. Almost looks like the titanium bars. That's awesome.
This has got the stainless blockhead exhaust on it. This one is here getting a Cyclorama 483 cam.
Wow,
So
okay.
this one will
okay.
probably be on the dyno hopefully by Friday. He's done some nice upgrades already with the bars. He's done the radial mount Brembo brakes in the front.
Look at the size of those calipers, man. Holy.
Yeah.
Dude, dual disc too. Nice. Nice. See, that's a luxury I don't have, guys. I got single disc brakes. See, most bikes do have the dual disc now, but I'm living in the past, which is okay.
We got some stuff also coming up. We're gonna be building some special bikes soon. My 135 is still on the bench over there.
Yeah, wow. I really want to show you guys this. So this friggin' motor right here. Wow, dude, 135. Now, this isn't, is this the same, not the same motor, but the same model motor that was in the other bike that you were showing us
No,
last time?
that was
it?
actually an SNS
SNS,
136.
right, 136, and I had the 550 cam in it,
Yeah.
right?
So that
Wow,
bike
man.
actually went out to Milwaukee Homecoming last week
Yeah.
and won first place in the V-Twin
Oh,
Visionary.
dude, how
Show.
could it not? Yeah, you guys should have seen that motor, man. That thing was friggin' nuts. 136 SNS motor in there, had the 550 cam. What kind of exhaust was on there?
It actually went out of here with a fuel moto, but it appeared in Milwaukee with a Samsung exhaust from Thailand.
That thing was crazy, man. It sounded snappy. It sounded like the thing was going to shoot flames at idle. That was a crazy bike.
We were very happy that we took first place in the show.
Oh, you deserved it, man. That thing was crazy. Okay, check out what we got here.
So SP Concepts makes a 2-into-1 for the Softails,
Mm-hmm.
big bore system. This is called the Works Edition. This has got multiple pie cut welds on it, so it's not just a
okay.
piece of pipe, they're all pie cuts.
Yeah.
So the craftsmanship on this.
Really, really top tier. Wow, look at that, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that.
That's some serious welding. Front pipe, all the pie cuts.
Yeah. Holy crap, guys.
Nice exhaust.
How much this run you back?
So I think these are 17 or 1800 for the system
Wow.
because of the work that goes into it.
Oh yeah, for sure.
And when I order these, they actually say that they take an extra 2 weeks to get them.
Really? So these are real top of the line, huh?
Yeah, you can get a regular exhaust, just all one piece of pipe. You just don't get all this.
Right. So as you can see, guys, there is always something crazy going down here at Tour Custom Cycles. So if you guys need some work done, this is your man. We are based in Hackensack, so I'll put the address and all the information. You got a website for your shop?
We just have our Instagram.
Okay, so we got an Instagram.
Instagram and our Facebook.
All right, cool. So I'm gonna put the Instagram, Facebook, and I'll let you guys come on down and check it out for yourselves. See you guys on the road.